Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai i30 Elite, stock reference number 5790. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left power door mirror has clear peeling. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror has clear peeling. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heater control, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, and the right sun visor.